without you is not enough.
What's up, gents? This is Gent Vibe, your go-to channel for men's fashion grooming. If you want tips, tricks, and hacks on how to be your best every single day, tune in by subscribing down below. Like I always say, I love the Philippines. It is known for many great things. But, oh my gosh! That's going to the bloopers. It is also known for one of its greatest problems, which is traffic. However, traffic is only the bigger picture. There are a lot of factors that make this up, including the ones that I put in this video. Basically, I'll be talking about 5 common driving mistakes most Filipinos do every single day, and of course, how to fix them. And we're starting with the first driving mistake that most Filipinos do on a daily basis is abrupt stopping. I'm looking at you Jeeps, UV Expresses, taxis, and everyone who is guilty of this. As simple as this sounds, this is probably one of the most common driving mistakes that has led to as many car accidents as I know. This is plain dangerous and life-threatening in some cases. So as much as possible, please learn how to gradually use your brakes, most especially if you're driving at high speeds. Another tip is that you should considerably distance yourself from the car in front of you so as to avoid the chain reaction of accidents caused by the mistake of sudden stopping. The second mistake that I'll be talking about is slow driving in the passing lane. This is also known as the overtaking lane, which can be found in the leftmost lane in any given highway. The only valid reason of using this is, of course, as the name says, when you need to overtake. Man, if only I had a subscriber every single time I saw a car cruising in this lane and have 1,000 a month. Easy. That being said, if you're new here, make sure to do so down below. Going back, yes, this does matter. And yes, you can get ticketed by hogging the left lane because doing so leads to traffic and countless car accidents caused by irresponsible overtaking. The third driving mistake is one that I always see every single time I drive, and it's mixed signals. Gents, your car's signal lights are lifesavers, and yet I still don't get why it's still one of the most misused driving instruments. If you're gonna use these signals, might as well use them correctly, right? The proper way to use signal lights is by turning them on 10 seconds before switching lanes or when you're at least 30 seconds away from doing so. This will prevent any sudden stopping, turning, or switching and will lead to lesser accidents in the future. The fourth driving mistake, in my opinion, is one of the most important ones to be fixed as soon as possible, and it's neglecting proper vehicle maintenance. Watch any news about car accidents and I'm 99.99% sure that most drivers will tend to put their blame on their cars. The most common excuse, in my opinion, is that their brakes were malfunctioning.
Sinabi po mismo agad ng driver ng jeep na nawala ng preno yung kanyang sasakyan.
Well, newsflash, Brenda, your car isn't gonna maintain itself. You and you only are responsible for regularly taking care of your car. Whether may it be checking your tire pressure, your water tank, your steering fluid, or your brakes, whatever happens to your car is on you and never on your car. And finally, the fifth driving mistake, and I believe that this is the most controversial one in this list, is road rage. Okay, I admit it. I was also a victim of road rage during the first days of my driving. But, has it gotten me anywhere? Absolutely not. I know, it gets stressful out there most of the time. But gents, we, as responsible citizens of the road, should understand that getting mad at the situation isn't gonna speed you through traffic, prevent accidents, and make everything seem better. I know it's tough and hard when there's just so much going on around you while you're driving, but at the end of the day, it's about staying patient and saving yourself from all unnecessary frustrations that will get you abso-freaking-lutely nowhere. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you feel like there are other driving mistakes that all Filipinos should start fixing as soon as possible, make sure to let me know down in the comment section below. That's it for today. Vibe out, gents.